Hey guys, it's time to make some art. As I said in the previous video, I want to find my unique art style here on this channel, in this studio in New York, basically. Because previously I did a lot of paintings and artworks, but these were just experiments with different techniques, and sometimes I was even mimicking other artists' styles, because I was just trying to understand how to work with paint, how to work with brushes and stuff like that. And now I want to focus on my personal style and to make it interesting and fun, first of all, for me. And after that, maybe someone else will like it. And for that reason, I'm also doing my art challenge routine, because I never knew basically how to draw faces. And that's a challenge for me to do it every day, just how I feel and not how I know, because I don't know how to draw faces. And also I'm passionate about abstract art and geometry and design and architecture, and my favorite artists are Kandinsky, Malevich, Bauhaus Design School. So yeah, that's kind of the cloud of tags I'm using to find my art style, and now we're gonna do it. And the first thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna use my cardboard faces sketches as an inspiration and reference for my first painting, this one. So I did a few sketches based on that cardboard face, and now we're just gonna stare at them and start working with the canvas. So basically what I'm doing now, I'm just trying to combine some freehand sketches and geometry. That's what I like the most in this style, because it's super easy to freestyle, you know. Garbage bin or a great tool. Coffee tabletop. The draft is ready and we can start working with paint. At this point, I just want to work with 50 Shades of Grey, so I don't want to work with any color, because I just want to shape my style to work with forms, and for that reason I just want to make it super easy and not complicated with choosing any colors. So now I'm ready to proceed on the wall. So in this beautiful sunset light, I don't know if you see it, but anyways, I'm just finishing the canvas. And I don't know what to say. I mean, when you're doing a sketch, you have one idea in your head, and when you're finishing the canvas, sometimes it looks a bit different. But actually, I like it. And hello from the new day. I left the painting to dry for the night, and now it looks just like that. And there is only one thing left, the most important part, to cover the painting with varnish. And to be honest, it's the most nervous part for me because you have to work with varnish super fast. Let's do it. Oh yeah, and one important thing about the acrylic paint, usually it takes from 2 to 4 weeks for the acrylic paint to get completely dry on the canvas, but actually I don't want to wait for that long, so we're gonna do it the easy way. So that's it, basically one layer of varnish and we are done. And after another 24 hours, the painting is completely done. Now it is really done. The varnish is completely dry, and let's take a closer look. I like the result. Actually, it is exactly as it was in my head. I wanted to create some abstract geometric portrait, but at the same time with the freehand lines and this raw style with the marks from brushes. So yeah, I will continue developing this style, and I hope guys you like this format and the process. Let me know what you think in the comments, and the final part is to put the name on the back of the painting. See you next videos. Thank you.